Let's say a plane crashed into a snowy, stranded place. You managed to survive with 15 others out of 45 passengers and crew. You have nothing left to stay alive. Are you going to eat the bodies of the dead, which are well preserved in the sub-zero temperature, or not? That's what happened in 1972 when a plane of a Uruguayan rugby team crashed into the Andes Mountains, and they ended up eating their teammates. A species eating its own can be found in animal kingdom, but for us human to happen, it sounds wrong. Eating human flesh or cannibalism is not a new thing. It goes back in history. In Europe from the 14th century up until the early 18th century, human body parts were knowingly sold and purchased as medications, particularly bones, blood, and fat. Eating human flesh, if not well prepared, will make you sick and you will most probably end up dead, because you might pick up blood-borne disease like hepatitis, Ebola, HIV, etc. Other than that, eating certain organs, especially the brain, can cause Kuru. The 4 people of Papua New Guinea, as a tradition, ate their dead instead of burying them, to protect them from worms and that they would be safe in the stomach of a loved one, a female loved one. They thought that a woman's body would tame the dead spirit. So women would cook the brain and roast the body and let their children eat as well. Kuru is prion-based disease. A prion is a misfolded protein that causes prion diseases or transmissible spongiform encephalopathies that affect the brain and make it look like a sponge by making holes in it. Kuru in Fore language means to shake or laughing sickness, because one of the disease's symptoms is being unstable emotionally, which sometimes leads to bursts of laughter. It takes between 3 months to 2 years from early signs of symptoms to die. The 4 people stopped consuming human meat in the early 1960s, with sources disagreeing on whether the last known Kuru victim died in 2005 or 2009. So overall, it's a bad idea. Subscribe for more videos, turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.